It's normal to change the front cover lens once a week or even more often when used heavily. We advise to change the lens as soon as the viewing area starts to become unclear, in particular if there's any damage, burning or flash evidence. Although the inner lens is not directly exposed during the welding process, it can get damaged as well. The inside of the helmet can be a hot and humid place where condensation can build up on the lens. So it's very easy to scratch it when cleaning, and so the need for a change may occur. In case you are long-sighted, you even have the opportunity to use a diopter from 1.0 to 2.5, which we offer as a spare part, and which is clipped on top of the inner lens.